Hey guys, today I am unboxing the Body Shop. This is the Make It Real Advent Calendar, and then after this is the smallest. I've already unboxed the biggest one, and then after this I only have to unbox the middle one. It really annoys me that I've gone biggest, smallest, and then I'm going to do middle, but anyway. So this retails for $100 Australian, and today we're going to unbox it. So let's start. Okay, so we have number one. This one is actually like a traditional advent calendar where you push the little flaps in. The biggest one was like little boxes that you pulled out. But anyway, this is number one. Ooh, okay, so number one we have a mango hand cream. Very nice. I love the mango scent. Next is number two, which is, I'm going to try and show you in here. It's number two down there. This is the Gia bath bomb, or bath bubble. What is that? Bath bubble. Doesn't say what. I'm guessing it's like a bath bomb kind of thing. That smells really, really nice. So cute. So it's like a little bath bomb, I think. Alright, number three. I can't find it. Oh, here we go. Number three is like a big kind of one. Oh god, I tell you what, nails and advent calendars do not mix. Okay, this is number three up here. This one. And this is the Body Shop Almond Milk and Honey Shower Cream. I can't get it out. Oh. Okay, so that's how it looks there. Let's have a sniff. Oh, that smells really nice. I think I will keep that one. Some of this stuff I'll put in giveaways and some of it I'll keep like I did with the last one. Next is day four, and that's like a kind of big one, to be honest. Oh, cute. Okay, day number four is hair ties. They say empowered and be brave. Like that. Then we need day number five. Cannot find it. Oh, here it is. Another kind of big one. Oh, cute. This one is a soap. I already have one of these actually. This is the Shea soap. Shea is like my all-time favorite scent from the Body Shop. I already have one of these upstairs though, but yeah, that's cool. Then we need number six. I'm genuinely convinced that there's, oh, here it is. I was gonna say, I swear there's no number six. Oh, very nice. Number six is a lip butter, if I can get it out, or like a lip balm. I got one of these in the other one as well, so I can probably add this to a giveaway. This is the strawberry lip butter. Alright, number seven is a big one. I feel like this is gonna be a body butter. Oh no, it's a loafer or loofah. So that's number seven. Where is number eight? Number eight is another circle one. Maybe this will be a body butter. Yep. Ooh, this is the British Rose Instant Glow Body Butter. That sounds really nice. I need to check if I've got one of these upstairs or not. Because I don't know if I do. British Rose is my favourite scent from the Body Shop. Oh, I just said that Shea was, but you know what I mean, I've got a few favourites. But yeah, that's really nice. Number nine. Where is number nine? Oh, another, is this a body scrub? I think this one's a scrub. Can't get it out. Oh my god, come on. It won't come out. Come on, please. Please. Oh yes, I love these. This is the Coconut Exfoliating Cream Body Scrub. I love these kind of products. It smells so good. It smells like the beach. So that was number 9. Now we're on to number 10. I'd be really curious to add like all of these products up and see like how much the calendar actually retails for, you know. Oh, this one you get the Banana Truly Nourishing Shampoo. I also got this in the $250 one, but it was like the full size. So I'll probably pass that along as well and put it in a giveaway, but that's cute. Number 11 is like a long one. Another hand cream. This one is in the shade scent. Very nice. 12. Where is 12? Oh, another like longish kind of one. Oh, this is the Mango Shower Gel. I also got a Mango Shower Gel in the $250 one, except it was like a big one. I don't know if I should keep this or pass it on because it just smells so good. I really kind of want to keep it, but I've already got like the big size. Anyway, number 13. What is this? This is a bath glove used for shower gel. Used with shower gel for on-hand exfoliant. I actually kind of have been wanting some of these, so I'm actually pretty happy with those. They're like exfoliating gloves. They do come in handy. Then number 14. Ooh, another shower gel. A strawberry one this time. So this is the strawberry shower gel. I don't know if I got this in the last one. I don't think I did. I do like strawberry. It's not my favourite scent, but I do like it. Number 15. I feel like it's going to be another hand cream. It's got like the same... Yeah. This is the pink grapefruit hand cream, which also came in the last one, I think. Number 16 is another bath bubble, but this one is coconut. Yum, that smells so good. Yum. Okay. Then number 17. This is 110% going to be a nail file. I know it's going to be a nail file. What do you know? It's a nail file. It's quite cute though. Like it's oh, I can't get it out. I'm like, this calendar's about to fall apart. Ow. I actually can't get it out, but it's really cute. It's like Christmas themed. It's up there. I'll try and get it out at the end, but anyway. Number 18. Here it is. Is another bath bubble. This one is in the shade pink, in the scent pink grapefruit. I much prefer the design of the other one because they're so much easier to get out. Like, I'm really struggling with this. Oh, that smells amazing. Yeah, okay, that was number 18. Number 19 is the banana conditioner, which I also got in the last one. Okay, so that one, banana conditioner. Then number 20 is a really small one. Maybe another lip butter. Yup. Oh, come on. Oh, this one's coconut. I don't know if I've ever had the coconut one. Yum, that smells so good. Okay, so that's the coconut lip butter. Number 21. Is some hair clips or hair slides that say fearless and unstoppable. Okay, where is number 22? It's another shower gel, I think. Oh, I can't get it. Okay. Yep, this is the coconut shower cream. I don't know if I've got one of these. It smells amazing though. Then we need number 23, which is another lip butter in mango. I think I got this in the last one too, so I can put that in a giveaway. And then last is number 24, which is the almond milk and honey body butter, which I got in the last one as well. So smells good. I Alright, let's try and get this nail file out. I swear I just almost broke my nails trying to get that out. It's cute, it's like Christmas themed. Alright, I've got a few thoughts. So the first thing I noticed is that on the big one there's a day 25 and there's not day 25 on this one. This one only goes to 24, which is fine. I'm pretty sure that's like what a normal advent calendar does. If you were an average consumer, I don't think buying all three would be worth it because it does seem that you get like duplicate products. I feel like, you know, it's fine for me because anything that I have double ups of I just put in a giveaway. And also I really don't like these little things. Like, I don't know, I feel like for $100, I don't know, I feel like, I mean, I know they've got to have like the cheap kind of things to fill it, but I just feel like, I don't know, the hair clips and like the nail file and like the hair ties and stuff, I really could have done without, you know. But yeah, apart from that, I mean, like it's the cheapest one. $100 is still a hefty price tag, I feel like. But yeah, I'd be really like interested to see kind of like how much it's actually worth, if you know what I mean. But yeah, apart from that, I'm really happy with the variety. I like how we have, you know, you've got your shampoo and conditioner, you have some shower creams, some shower gels, body butter, lip butters, soap, hand creams, bath bombs. I feel like it's like a really cool calendar. But yeah, I just feel like if you were like just an average person, like just buying it to use the stuff, all three just wouldn't be worth it because they're, like I said, there is duplicate products. So yeah, if I was you and looking at purchasing one of these calendars, I think I would go on the Body Shop and like kind of have a look at what actually comes in them and then choose like based off what I'm going to use, if you know what I mean. But yeah, apart from that, I really enjoyed this calendar. I have quite a few double ups now, so quite a few of these will be coming to you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. We have one more Body Shop advent calendar to unbox, and that should be coming soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!